So on my alerts here, guys, you can see what I'm bringing into the room, especially on the tech and the chip space. You can see these alerts I have set up for areas that I'd love to enter in: Intel, Micron, Qualcomm, and Xilinx. Xilinx is getting the closest right now, so let's actually pull that up and I can show you what I'm talking about. I mean, it's pretty clear cut, this 200-day moving average here in Xilinx. I mean, this is really as clear as can be. I'll bring in a Thinkorswim chart here. All right, this blue line here, the 200-day moving average. I mean, if you're ever going to find a technical spot to enter in, that's it.